It's gonna be lit, and there's a Nissan because this is a video. Insane. Oh my word. This is what we live for, guys. This is what it's all about. This man is lit. Nah, bruh. Epic shit. Sapweke. That's too soon. What's good, daily gang? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven SA. Today we're giving you yet again some Nissan spice. So today I have a Nissan SR20. This is a 2000 model. This is a stock SR20 according to the owner, but I don't think so. The way that guy drives this car, it's absolutely insane. This car sounds like a VE when he drives it, and it sounds like a DE when I drive it. So nonetheless, this is a very, very beautiful car, as you guys can see in the background. Absolutely amazing. And make sure to leave a comment down below, guys. Tell me where you guys are watching from, and tell me what you think of the car. And make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. We want to reach the 20,000 subscriber mark. And comment down below, like, whatever you need to do to share the video with friends and family. We will meet Avery a bit later, the owner of the car. And yeah, before I continue, I have a very, very talented man, Mr. Mackie. This man has been operating the camera. You can just keep it as a selfie for us. So this is Mackie. This is a grade 9 pupil from Bella Vista. As I heard, he's into photography, videography, cinematography, and also cars. I'm using Mackie to help me film now and then. I'm trying to teach him some basic things. So this is what it's all about. It's not about only cars. It's about the beauty of videography, photography. So I'm trying to teach him the things I've learned over the past few years, and hopefully he can apply it. And Mackie, thank you, bruh. Thank you for filming. Thank you for tagging along. Like I said, he's a grade 9 pupil. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. Let's go. Amazing. Very good, very nice. SR20 power. Make sure to leave a comment down below, guys. Absolutely love the comments. And yeah, let's go meet Avery and let's get it on. Bra, Zander, wat sê jy? Klink hy? Huh?
Boy.
Boy! Oh, so yeah, guys, Zander, obviously, if you see Zander in our videos, you know it's gonna be lit and there's a Nissan. Because this is the VVL King, or the SR20 King.
Huh?
Oh. The king of all the kings.
The king of all the kings.
Ah, sit vast. Okay guys, we have Mr. Abel. Salute me bro, thank you for joining us. And yeah, I really appreciate you being on the channel. And the man is casually chilling here. I'll introduce you guys to the other man now. Abel, welcome to the channel and thank you for the opportunity to film your car. But the first question I have, why the SR20?
David, hallo mensen. Ik ben altijd van schooltijd af SR20 gereden.
Ja.
Hoe zit het goed te zijn? Ik kan door de centra gaat trots op.
Yes, of
En
course.
daarom heb ik mijn liefde gekomen van Nissan.
Yes. So yeah guys, it's all about the love. Before this you had a Honda, right?
Een Honda, ja.
Difference? Big difference?
Bij ga ze goed uit ja.
So yeah, this is the man. When I drive the car, it's a DE. When he drives the car, it's a VE. Bro, this car sounds incredible. You say it's stock. I'm not for that. I don't agree with that. But the way this man drives the car, it's absolutely amazing. I'll show you guys a bit later on. So we also have the man at the back. He came with Mickey. No? And he will be the driver for the cinematics from the back seat, you know. And Mr. Z, then obviously the main man there, the man making sure this car is sparkling as it should. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment down below and stay tuned for more. Let's go. Bro. Guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because this is going to be lit. Let's go. Damn, bro. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Guys, look at this. This is absolutely insane. Oh my word. What? This is what we live for, guys. This is what it's all about. Z-boy, bruh. What's it?
Burnout is amazing.
Ah! I told you guys, this is only a DE when I drive it. This man is lit. Nah, bruh. Epic shit. Woo!
I'm the VVL King. And the car is amazing. And hij spoor uit. And let's go. Boom. Nah, nah.
So yeah guys, don't you absolutely love that? Bruh. Tegen niet die dingen elke dag.
Yes, man.
This man is, you know, next door to me. I know when this man is on his way from Bella Vista. And I stay in Ceres. You guys have to know. But overall, it's an absolutely amazing car. All the boys. Boy. So yeah guys, if you aren't subscribed yet, I don't even know what to do. You have to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our future videos. And on that note, Mr. Z, bruh, wat denk je?
Car like amazing. And they sound boy.
Yeah, bro. So the car is absolutely amazing, sounds incredible. And so to the driver, this man know how to drive, I have to say. It's a DE when I drive it, it's a VE when this man get behind the wheel. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a comment down below. Make sure you like this video and follow us on our Instagram and other social media platforms. And yet again, shots to the main man, Mr. Mackie, for operating the cam work, you know. Yeah, that's what it's all about. We continue the culture every single day, and make sure you don't miss any of our future content. Abel, thank you for the amazing time with this car. You know, time is always limited. I wish we could stay here forever and do this forever, but unfortunately we can't. But yeah, on that note, let's go and on to the next one. Boom.
What's that auto?
One lever, bro. One lever, bro.